at least it comes with rain, and we will take any moisture we can get here in New Mexico. Here in Mueller Peak, they saw some thick cloud coverage early this morning, but it didn't drop any rain. However, we are starting to see that storm system getting closer, and that's going to allow more rain showers and snow flurries to develop over the northern mountains. Just like you can see here at the Wolf Creek ski area in the distance, there is some snow, some rain falling, and there was a little bit of snow falling at this camera just about 30 minutes ago. With temperatures 26 degrees, it was at 31 about 30 minutes ago again. So it's quickly cooling. Winds are gusting up to 40 miles an hour. Those cooler temperatures, those gusty winds, and those chances for rain are all on the way to New Mexico as soon as tonight. The very large array might see a few of those showers this evening, and look at how thick those clouds have gotten over the western parts of the state. While here in Albuquerque, yes, we're looking at that thicker cloud coverage approaching, but we've seen a lot of blue skies and sunshine today, so I hope everybody got out, even with a bit of a breeze. It's not anything terrible, nothing like yesterday, only gusting up to nearly 20 miles an hour. It is a bit cooler though, 70 degrees out there, and especially across eastern New Mexico, definitely feeling that chill. But it's not chilly by any means, it's just cooler than yesterday. So they're no longer in the upper 80s to 90s, they're in the upper 70s to 80s. That's more seasonable for this time of year, while the western parts of the state in the 50s and 60s, kind of depending on where you are. But it's a lot cooler up across the northwest because they're dealing with that storm system, that cloud coverage, that precipitation, while southern and eastern parts of the state are seeing a lot more sunshine and a lot more wind. We are expecting these gusty conditions to stick around, especially across southern New Mexico, overnight tonight and into very early tomorrow morning. This will likely be our quietest time of the day tomorrow, before those winds really ramp up tomorrow afternoon, especially across the southeastern corner of the state, which is why, unfortunately, fire danger does return tomorrow, as we are expecting these gusts anywhere from 55 to 65 and maybe even 75 miles an hour, combining with very dry conditions at the surface. Unfortunately, critical to elevated fire conditions do return across eastern and southern New Mexico tomorrow. With these temperatures, even though they're not anything too crazy, still warm. It's not seasonable for this time of year. With that first storm system that impacted us yesterday quickly departing, and it's actually bringing a lot of severe weather across the Midwest over into Nebraska and Kansas. But for us, not dealing with severe weather, just got that storm system on the way. That's beginning to bring just a couple of flurries and rain showers over the four corners. They will get heavier late tonight and into the overnight hours, with the northern mountains and west central mountains likely dealing with a little bit of snow. That period of snow and rain will continue on and off into the very early morning hours tomorrow, and by tomorrow afternoon, that's when we here in Albuquerque